Alright, this is a Polaris 300 Express or something like that. Bought it at the scrapyard for $85. It was reported that the person who brought it in said that the oil light came on and they just parked it and didn't do anything with it since. So we're going to take a look at it and see what's going on. Looked like water had been in here. Alright, got a lot of it worn apart. This is the Polaris 300 Express, I think. Alright, so went ahead and took this off. This apparently, as you can see, the line here probably was up to water to this high. I got this functioning again. Cleaned that up real good. Took off the flywheel, cleaned the contacts and all that. But I'm thinking, while I got it this far, I think I want to go ahead and take the motor off and go ahead and not go with a new piston, because I've got good compression. I've got almost 120 compression in here. I want to go through the seals, I think, maybe crack the crankcase and put in new bearings. I think the bearings are my worry is that if I just go with it now, it would run, but I'm worried that whatever might be in here in the crankcase might be thrown up eventually and then cause problems with the piston, the cylinder, and then I'll lose my compression. So then too, I want to take the transmission off, and I'm worried that there might be a lot of gunk in there too. So